Hi everybody, this is Mike with the Wilkins Company here at Western Beaver High School to show you how to use the new sound system. So when you have this door opened here, this is our power button. So push this button once, you'll see that flashing. The flashing means that the sequencer up here is turning the system on. When it's fully on, all four of these will be lit up and you'll see all these units powering up as we do that. Once the units are on, you'll notice these are the two wireless receivers. These do have power buttons here and here, and those need to be pushed in all times. That will keep those turned on. There's nothing serviceable on this unit here. This is the audio processor. And then this is all of our control and our inputs here. So we just went over power. Music 1 is this direct input here. You can use cable inside this drawer with either one of these dongles if you need one for your device, and plug into either one of these ports depending on what you need. This is music 2, which is the Bluetooth. To pair the Bluetooth, you hold down the pairing button until this light goes flashing. Once it's flashing, you can pair it on your device, and then when it is paired, it will go solid. If you disconnect from it for 30 seconds, it will disconnect. So you're gonna have to repair this each time you do that, and that's by default. This unit here is our control panel. So this controls the volumes. If you push this button in, it will go to input select, and you can cycle through all of the different inputs and raise the volumes. HH1 is the wireless handheld. BP1 is the wireless body pack. ANN mic is the announcer's microphone that's on the desk behind me. Music 1 is here, Music 2 is here, and this is the audio from the Musco lighting system. Once you've selected an input you want to raise, you'll push that button back in and it will now go to main out, and you can adjust that volume here. So if you want to adjust BP1, push it in and you can raise or lower it here. Once you're logged into the Musco lighting system, if you push the audio button here, pushing this button here will play the 2025 intro, and that will be on the lights control on the touchscreen. Finally, to turn the system off, we're just going to hit the same button here, and that's going to cycle through the power.